Hey everybody, I'm Mrs. Holtman and I will be your Edmentum / OSO teacher here. I will be the one you contact if you have any questions about your course, if you need anything unlocked, or if you have any issues with your Edmentum or your Schoology information. Please make sure today you do a couple things for me. I am going to make sure you can see my screen behind me. There are a few folders in our Schoology pages. I have entered a business up. You will have the same things in all of your courses. So if you are in my Principles of Marketing or Sports Marketing and Entertainment, it is the same for all of your courses. Please go through this folder with all of the information about your Edmentum class, okay? Talks to you about Office 365, making sure you know how to save your information, how to allow pop-ups in the flash drive, how to do your guided notes, because there are some of the sections or units that have guided notes, how to save your guided notes and turn in your guided notes. You will want to make sure you are doing those. If there are sections that do not have guided notes, you need to take notes on your own and submit those before you are able to take the tests for that particular unit, that final test for that particular unit. I will have those on here as well for you to submit those as we go through this course, okay? I will have each of those note sections for each of my particular groupings, okay? The next thing you need to know is each day that we have class. So it is every black day. So days we would have 1, 3, 5, and 7. I will have a attendance quiz for you. It is the easiest way for me to take attendance since I cannot meet with you guys all in person all of the time. What you will do here is I will have a week of, and it will just say the week that we're in. Today is Monday, January 11th, and you will see January 11th attendance. There are 2 questions on our attendance today. You will answer number 1, did you log in and complete any classwork today? Yes or no? It's multiple choice. Number 2, tell me one thing about your winter break that was fun or you wish you could do again. This just helps me get to know you guys a little bit better. One thing that I wish I could do again is binge watch some more TV shows because I did not do a whole lot on winter break and I would love to go back and do that some more. So you will turn that in. Please make sure you do that between the hours of 8 a.m. and 2:30 p.m. That way every day by 2:30 I can take attendance for you guys and make sure your attendance is accurate and verified. Okay. Easiest way to reach me is through email. You can do that through your Schoology page. Just shoot me a message. I do try to keep tabs pretty regularly on that. Obviously, I am teaching classes in person here in my room. So if I don't get back to you right away, I will get back to you as quickly as possible. So just know I will get back as soon as I can. All right. Good luck today. If you need me for any reason, feel free to let me know. All right. Thanks so much, guys.